When making a quarter turn around a traffic circle, drivers often make the following mistakes. Entering the circle without yielding to traffic already inside. Making a right turn from the left or inside lane. Failing to yield to pedestrians at crosswalks when exiting. Correct approach for a quarter turn, enter from the right or outside lane. Signal right and yield to both pedestrians and traffic in the circle. Proceed when safe and exit in the right lane. For drivers making a half turn, a common mistake is changing lanes within the traffic circle. Entering from the left or inside lane and then changing lanes may cut off other vehicles or cause a collision. Correct approach for a half turn, enter from the left or inside lane. Signal left, yield to pedestrians and traffic in the circle, and proceed when safe. Exit by signaling right, staying in the left or inside lane. Alternatively, you may enter from the right or outside lane for a half turn, although it is less preferred. In this case, signal left, yield to pedestrians and traffic, and proceed when safe. Yield to traffic already inside the circle and exit by signaling right and staying in the right or outside lane. For a three-quarter turn, it is unsafe to enter or continue from the right or outside lane. Additionally, changing lanes inside the circle after entering from the left or inside lane can lead to cutting off other vehicles or causing a collision. Correct approach for a three-quarter turn, enter from the left or inside lane. Signal left, yield to pedestrians and traffic, and proceed when safe. Exit by signaling right and remaining in the left or inside lane.